Hey YouTube fam, so I'm back really quick with this quick unpackaging I purchased from Poshmark. So I got this to match the bag I purchased or expected to receive from One Year Fair. And you guys saw the most recent unboxing was a fail, so I received the wrong bag. And I have been communicating with them, and so they stated that, they apologized. It was an error on the computer system, but they do have that bag in stock. So I'm just waiting for them to pick that one up, and was still want that bag. So I'm most likely going to have them send out the correct bag that I ordered. So I purchased this small leather good to match it. So I got this from Poshmark, and she packaged it well. It was in a small box like this, party mailbox. Give me one moment. Like this, and she bubble wrapped it. I appreciate it. And she tied it. That's so cute. I say thank you for purchase, happy poshing. And a cute little sticker here. Best wishes to you. That is so stinking cute. She put her, I'm gonna try to untie it. I just wanted to take it off, but it's tied in a knot. Okay, let's, I don't know why unwrapping. There we go. And such a cute paper. Ooh. And you see it's that floral print, so I thought it would be really nice to pop off the satchel. So, see right here, it's floral small wristlet from Jack's, BP bright pink, so style number 28439. Yeah, so I got it for a really good deal. I think I paid $60 for this, and I thought it was even smaller, so it's actually a really nice size. So I was thinking I could put, like, my lip gloss, things of that nature, or my inhaler in here, things, So it says Coach in the black hardware. And you see this floral print. When this came out spring of this year, I thought it was so cute. And the glitter is very nice. Alright, and here is a little tag, same thing that I stated before. Let's go ahead and take this wrapping. It's a cute little wristlet, and it just says Coach. If it's new tag, it is. It's not been used. I'm trying to show because this backlight, I don't want this thing to fall again like last time. But it has two card case, and this is instructions. You can slide. It is nylon material on the inside, and it's a burgundy color, but you can't see it. I'm gonna take this off the stand so you guys can see it better. There we go. So there we go. We can see the real color. So it was a nice hot pink, the light facing it, and the hardware. And then you see this burgundy color nylon, and two slip pockets on the inside and nothing on the other side. Feels so nice. I love this color. It's gonna look really great with that Kiss Lock bow satchel once I really get it. So the other one's already packed downstairs waiting for DHL to come pick it up. Oh, and reason why I have this dinky out is because I was trying to decide if I'm gonna get another one. All right, thanks for watching.